What is real estate investing? Real estate investing is the process of buying and selling properties to generate income or profit. And there are many different ways to invest in real estate, including buying single-family homes, apartments, duplexes, quads, commercial properties, and land. So let's talk about investing in real estate. What is real estate investing? I'm going to talk about two ways that you can invest in real estate. The first one is buying and renting out properties. This is fabulous and I love it and I've done it. And the second one is actually flipping properties, and this is also fabulous. I've done it and I love it. So let's get down to it. There's many reasons why people actually choose to invest in real estate. The first is it's a potential for a very high return. Real estate can be very profitable, especially over long term. The second is diversification. Real estate is a good way to diversify your investment portfolio and reduce your risk. Other reasons to invest in real estate include generating income. Rental properties can provide a steady stream of income, which can be used to pay down debt, save for retirement, or just to simply supplement your income. You may also want to invest in real estate to build wealth. Real estate can appreciate in value over time, which means that you can make a profit when you sell your property. So if you're interested in investing in real estate, here's a few things that you need to know before you get started. Number one, do your research. Before you invest in any property, it's important to do your research and understand the market. This includes understanding the location, the type of property, and the current market conditions. Number two, get pre-approved for a loan. This will give you an idea of how much you can afford to borrow, and it'll also make the home buying process a lot smoother. Number three, and this is the most important, find a good realtor. A good real estate agent can help you find the right property and also negotiate the best price for you. Lastly, be prepared to invest lots of time and a little bit of money. Real estate investing is not a get rich quick scheme. Absolutely not. It takes time and it takes money to generate a profit. So in conclusion, investing in real estate can be a fabulous way of building wealth, but it's important to do your research and to understand the risk before you get started. If you're willing to put in the work, then real estate investing can be a very rewarding experience. If you think you're interested in becoming a real estate investor, please do give me a call so we can discuss it. I've actually owned 18 homes personally, and I've only lived in 6 of them myself. So I know a little bit about real estate investing. So some of the steps that we'll go through on our call are obviously picking out an area. Maybe even you want to purchase in a specific neighborhood. We'll talk about schools, we'll talk about price point, and we'll also talk about if you want to flip or if you'd like to buy and hold. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions about home investing.